All right, this is going to be Proud Mary by Creedence Clearwater Revival. We're going to start it with the C chord. We're going to go C, 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 A, and then A, A, G. So we got C, 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 A, G, C, 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 A. Okay, so that's our whole riff there in the intro. We got C, 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 A, G. And when you hit the G, you're kind of trying not to hit that bottom one, try to mute that one. So we got C, 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 A, G. We're going to do that twice. Now the third time, C, 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 A, G, F. So let's try that. C, 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 A, G, F. And then F, F. Put the pinky in on the third fret. That's a F6. So F, F, F6, back to F, to D. So we got. Okay, and then we start a new groove on the D. So let's go through all that intro again. C, 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 A, G. Do that twice. 2, 3, and. Now we have our new groove in D. We have bum bum da dum dum da dum dum da dum dum dum. So that is what I'm calling one long D section. It's like a couple bars, but it's like one long D section. It's gonna make it a little easier to read the chart if we just look at it like that. So one whole section of this bum 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 bum. That's like one long D. Okay, so we're gonna do 4 long Ds for the verse. 2, 3, 4. Here's the second one. Third one. Fourth one. A. B minor. We got a cool little fill in there. So we go B minor. So when we start the second kind of measure of that, bum, 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 bum. So we have middle finger on this 4 on the G string, and then 3 and 5 on the second string, and then we're gonna go bottom 2 strings, 7s, 5s, and 7s. So it's, okay, so let's look at that whole, from the A part of the verse, 3, 4. B minor. D. We got 2 sets of D. And then we start the next verse. So we got 4 long Ds again. 3, 4. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Going to A. B minor, that fill, D, okay, so we have this cool riff here. We're going to slide into these 7s from the 5s, or you could just start on the 7s. So if you want to play that as like a chord, you have to mute the other strings around that, right? So we got. So I'm definitely muting that one in between to help me kind of strum them all at the same time. So we got 7s, 7, 5, and then 4 and 3, back to the 5s and back. So, okay, nice and slow in that riff. 3, 4. So it's right after the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we'll be back into the intro riffs. We have one long D there, and then we're going to have a solo over this D. So it's those 4 long ones on the D again. We'll get into A, B minor, back to D. Okay, so we have a solo there. We could go. So we get into this 4 here, slide into that with the ring, and we're gonna go 2, 4 to that 2 and 3 chord right there, part of a D. So we got 3, 4. And then we're gonna jump up here and think about this D chord on the 7s here. We're gonna get into this kind of Rolling Stones looking shape here. We got a 9 on the big one, 8 on the second. So we have. Okay, so once again we got da dee da dee da dee da dee da dee da. So we do that a bit. We have a lot of those back and forths. Kind of do whatever you want. Kind of listen to it a little bit, you know. But then we're gonna have this slide, little cool riff. So we're gonna slide into this. That's a 11 and 10. Gonna slide into the 11 and 10 and get that 9 and 8 to the 7s. Kind of have this 9 up here. So okay, so it's dum da dum dee da doo dee, and then back here. This one kind of does less of those back and forths. And then we have a little riff at the end. So kind of a O to 2, 2 to 4, 2 here, 2 to 3, 2, O 2. So. And then kind of the same rhythm of that, 2 to 4. So that was 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 7, 5 in the second, 7, 6, 7. So. Then we're back into our strum. We got a riff, intro. Okay, then we got another verse, does the same type of stuff. That riff at the end of all these sets of D's. Okay, that's about it. Okay, let's go over our intro again. The CCCA, AAG, 2, 3, and. Okay, and our solo was. All right, Proud Mary, CCR. Thanks a lot for watching. There'll be a tab with this. Talk to y'all soon.